Being behind the wheel comes with responsibilities, including knowing how to handle a vehicle breakdown. Whether you're a learner driver or a new driver, understanding the basics of car maintenance and knowing what to do in case of a breakdown is an important part of safety on the road. Before we get into the ways to deal with a car breakdown, let's look at some ways it can be prevented. Proper vehicle maintenance means that your car will be in the best condition possible, which will hopefully avoid any serious issues. You should do regular checks of your vehicle, which can hopefully prevent any serious breakdowns. You should regularly check your fluid levels, such as your engine oil, coolant, brake fluid and windscreen washer fluid. They should all be checked fairly regularly to make sure that they are all topped up. You should also inspect your tyres, making sure that the tyre pressure and tread depth are all correct. This ensures fuel efficiency and handling on the vehicle. Next is the battery health. Keep an eye on your battery's health. A weak battery can lead to problems with starting your vehicle. And finally, check to make sure that all of your lights and signals on the vehicle are working correctly. Faulty lights can pose a huge safety hazard, especially when driving at night. So make sure that they are all working on your vehicle before setting off on a journey. So what should you do if your vehicle does break down? Well, first things first is try to stay calm. Panicking will only make the situation worse, so take a deep breath and focus on what you can do right now to resolve the issue. If you can, try and move your car to safety. If your car breaks down in the middle of the road, try to steer off to the side or to a safe location away from the traffic. Activate your hazard lights to let other drivers know that you have broken down and make them aware that you are there. If you are in a situation where you are unable to move the car to a safe location, and if it is not safe to exit the vehicle, stay inside the car with your seatbelt on. This will protect you as much as possible from passing traffic and potential hazards while you wait for help to arrive. Remember to keep calm and wait patiently for assistance. If you are in a safe area, take a moment to assess the situation. Is it a simple fix like a flat tyre, or is there something more serious going on? This can help you decide the next course of action. And next, and most importantly, call for assistance. If you have roadside assistance or breakdown cover, now is the time to use it. Call your provider and explain the situation. Try to provide as much information as possible about your location and any relevant details about your vehicle. If you don't have roadside assistance or breakdown cover, reach out to a trusted mechanic or someone who can help you get back on the road safely. Some motorways may have assistance phones that may be useful if you need some extra assistance. It is a good idea to have your breakdown provider's details saved in your phone just in case of emergency. But what is breakdown cover and do you need it? Breakdown cover is a safety net for when you are out on the road. If you have a breakdown, you can often get help. This means that someone will come out and assess the situation and potentially offer towing or repairs on site. Your insurance company may provide breakdown cover as an optional extra or included in the price of your policy. Alternatively, you can have a standalone breakdown cover on your vehicle. Breakdown providers typically offer services such as towing, jump starting, changing a flat tyre and providing fuel delivery. This is to help you quickly get back on the road or get your car to safety. There are often different levels of breakdown cover that you can get. This can include things such as home start, roadside assistance, national recovery and onwards travel. Depending on the type of cover you have will depend on if the breakdown cover will be able to help you if you do have a breakdown. If you are in a situation where your car breaks down and you do not have breakdown cover, you can still get help. You could call a trusted friend or mechanic to help you get back out on the road if you just need a tyre change or a jump start. If your car does need towed back home, there are towing companies that will be able to help you with this. Try not to panic and have a quick Google search to see what your options are. If you want to be prepared, it may be good to research this before you go out on long journeys, just to make sure that you have all the relevant emergency contacts saved to your phone just in case. Having a car breakdown can be stressful, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can navigate through it safely. Remember to stay calm, prioritise safety and seek assistance when needed. By following these tips and being proactive about your car maintenance, you may reduce the chances of a vehicle breakdown. You'll be better equipped to handle any challenges that come your way on the road. If you are looking for more learner driver tips, be sure to follow to see future videos. Thank you for watching and safe driving.